Namaste children. Hi. Let us discuss sixth lesson in seventh class social studies is Africa. Today in this video we will discuss the important rivers flowing in Africa continent. In this video we will discuss the important rivers flowing in Africa continent. Let us discuss the important rivers flowing in Africa continent. The first important river flowing in Africa continent is River Nile. What is the specialty of the River Nile? River Nile is the longest river in the world. River Nile is the longest river flowing in Africa continent. River Nile is the longest river flowing in Africa continent, as well as River Nile is the longest river in the world. Its length is 6,650 kilometers. The length of the River Nile is 6,650 kilometers. River Nile takes birth at Victoria Lake. River Nile takes birth at Victoria Lake. Let me say about the Victoria Lake. Victoria Lake is the fresh water lake. Once upon a time, Victoria Lake is a long and deep valley. This long and deep valley get heavy rainfall throughout the year. As a result, rainwater filled in long and deep valley and formed a lake called Victoria Lake. This Victoria Lake is the third largest lake in the world. This Victoria Lake is the second largest freshwater lake in the world. This Victoria Lake has fresh water. So only Victoria Lake is a freshwater lake. This Victoria Lake gets heavy rainfall throughout the year. As a result, this Victoria Lake has surplus of water. The surplus of fresh water in Victoria Lake flows through Rift Valley from south to north permanently throughout the year. This river is none other than River Nile. This Lake Victoria gets heavy rainfall throughout the year. As a result, this Victoria Lake has surplus of fresh water. The surplus of fresh water flows from Victoria Lake to Rift Valley from south to north permanently throughout the year. This river is called River Nile. This river originates or takes birth at Victoria Lake, flows through Uganda, South Sudan, Egypt. Near Alexandria, it reaches Mediterranean Sea. Before Nile River reaches in Mediterranean Sea, it forms a triangular shape called Nile Delta. Then it reaches Mediterranean Sea. Herodotus is the father of history. Herodotus is the father of history. He called Egypt as a gift of Nile. Why? This Nile River helped to develop a human civilization called Egypt civilization is several thousands of years old. This Nile River helped to develop a human civilization called Egypt civilization is several thousands of years old. And this River Nile provide water for agricultural fields for thousands of years. Thus agriculture is developed in Egypt. That agriculture is developed in Egypt. So our Herodotus called Egypt is the gift of Nile. Herodotus said Nile is a gift for Egypt. Why Herodotus said Nile is the gift for Egypt? Why? As the Nile River in Egypt, the Nile River that flows in Egypt helped to develop a civilization called Egyptian civilization is several thousands of years old. And this river Nile that flows in Egypt provide water for agricultural lands for thousands of years. Thus agriculture is developed in Egypt. Because of this reason, Herodotus said Nile is the gift for Egypt, so he called Egypt is a gift of Nile. The capital of Egypt is Cairo. The capital of Egypt is Cairo. Cairo is the largest city located on the bank of river Nile in Egypt. Cairo is the largest city located on the bank of the river Nile in Egypt. Children, do you know one thing? Egypt is a country located in Sahara Desert. Egypt is the country located in Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert is the world's largest desert. The largest desert in the world is Sahara. The largest desert in the world is Sahara. Egypt is located in Sahara Desert. The only one river flows in Sahara Desert is River Nile. The only one river flows in Sahara Desert is River Nile through Egypt. Through Egypt. Children, so far we discussed about the River Nile. Once again, children, listen now. Let us discuss once again about the River Nile. River Nile originates at Victoria Lake, flows through Uganda, South Sudan, Egypt, near Alexandria, reaches Mediterranean Sea. Before River Nile reaches Mediterranean Sea, it forms a delta called Nile Delta. River Nile is the longest river in the world, the longest river in Africa continent. Father Herodotus called River Nile. Father Herodotus called Egypt is the gift of Nile. Why? Because River Nile that flows in Egypt developed a civilization, human civilization called Egyptian civilization is several thousands of years old. The River Nile that flows in Egypt provide water for agricultural lands for thousands of years. Thus agriculture is developed in Egypt. Because of this reason, Herodotus said Nile is a gift for Egypt. So he called Egypt is the gift of Nile. The capital of Egypt is Cairo, located on the bank of the river Nile. Cairo is the largest city in Egypt. This Egypt is located in Sahara Desert. The only one river flows in Sahara Desert is River Nile. Children, now we'll discuss about the river Niger. River Niger starts at, takes birth at Guinean Islands and flows through Guinea, then Mali, Niger, Benin, Nigeria, and reaches Guinean Gulf of Guinea. Gulf of Guinea at last reaches Atlantic Ocean. Once again, children, River Niger takes birth at Guinean Islands and flows through Guinea, Mali, Niger, Benin, Nigeria, and reaches Gulf of Guinea. This place is called Gulf of Guinea. At last reaches Atlantic Ocean. Before Niger River reaches Gulf of Guinea, it forms a triangular shape called Niger Delta. Now let me discuss third river now. Congo. The other name for river Congo is Zaire River. The other name for river Congo is River Zaire. River Congo originates at Democratic Republic of Congo and flows through Democratic Republic of Congo and Republic of Congo, and last it reaches in Atlantic Ocean. Once again, the other name for river Congo is Zaire, river Zaire. This river Congo originate at Democratic Republic of Congo, and then it flows through Democratic Republic of Congo and Republic of Congo, at last reaches Atlantic Ocean. What is the specialty of the river Congo? What is the specialty of the river Congo? This river Congo flows through equator for 2 times. This river Congo flows through equator for 2 times. Okay, previously Democratic Republic of Congo is called Zaire. Formerly, the Democratic Republic of Congo is called Zaire. Now discuss another important river in Africa continent that flows is river Zambezi. River Zambezi originates or takes birth, rises at the provinces of Angola and flows through Angola, Namibia, Botswana, Zambia, Zimbabwe, and near Mozambique it reaches Indian Ocean. Before Zambia reaches Indian Ocean, it forms a triangular shape called Zambezi Delta. One of the world famous waterfall located across Zambezi River. That famous waterfall name is Victoria Waterfall. The famous waterfall is Victoria Waterfall. Victoria Waterfall named after the Queen Victoria. It was named by John Speke. One of the famous waterfall called Victoria Waterfall located across river Zambezi. It was named after the Queen Victoria. Okay, it was named by John Speke. Okay, now we'll discuss about Madagascar. Madagascar is an island. What is an island? A piece of land surrounded by 4 sides water is called island. Madagascar is the 4th largest island in the world. The first largest island in the world. Is Greenland. This belongs to Denmark. The second largest island in the world is New Guinea. It is in Australia. Third largest island in the world is Borneo. It is in Indonesia. Fourth largest island in the world is Madagascar. It is in Africa continent. Now discuss about Mozambique Channel. Indian Ocean flows into a channel between Madagascar and Mozambique called Mozambique Channel. This channel is called Mozambique. Once again, the Indian Ocean flows into a channel. Channel means canal. Okay, Indian Ocean flows into a channel or flows into a canal between Madagascar and Mozambique called Mozambique Channel. Children, you have a doubt. Sir, you said the longest river in the world is River Nile. Whereas Amazon is the largest river in the world. Okay, said by you. Yes, what you said is right. Okay, longest river means, okay, in the sense lengthwise. In lengthwise, Nile is the longest river in the world. In lengthwise, Nile is the longest river in the world. In area wise, Amazon is the largest river in the world. Okay, in lengthwise, Nile is the longest river in the world. In area wise, Amazon is the largest river in the world. River Nile flows in Africa continent. Amazon River flows in South America continent through Brazil. River Amazon is the largest river. River Amazon is the largest river that flows through Brazil in South America. River Amazon is the largest river in area wise. In area wise, Amazon is the largest river. Flows through Brazil, South America. Whereas River Nile, in lengthwise, River Nile is the longest river in Africa continent as well as in the world. And some children had a doubt. Sir, do you say Volga and Volta are same? One of the child asked me a doubt. Sir, do Volta river and Volga river is same, sir? No. Volta river flows in Africa continent. The Volta river flows in Africa continent. Volga river flows in Europe continent. Volga river flows in Europe continent. Volga river is the longest river in Europe. Volga river is the longest river in Europe. Whereas Volta river flows in Africa. Children, so far we discussed about the important rivers in Africa continent. I hope you understand this topic. Before seeing this topic, first read the topic from the textbook, then you see this video, you will understand very much better. Otherwise, we will rectify doubts in the Zoom classes very clearly. Otherwise, children, we also said some important points that is beyond our textbook. You note down the important points in the classwork. Thank you, children, for watching my videos. We will meet in next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.